Yes.
So, say we are in a spiritual warfare battle.
Okay.
How does your gun sound like?
Ikoja lima hando sakina aluje peroja amba lima hando saya rike suta aluja sakaya ilo
the fire.
zezele
The
eko
fire.
tata sakina maya.
Hi, Sister Oratile.
Hi, my sister.
So, say we're in a spiritual warfare. How does your gun sound like?
Leko paharus katalia mahasutelia hasaya.
Amen.
Brother Akang,
Hey.
say we are in a spiritual warfare battle. How does your gun sound like?
Mantele ko paradika sujelema epra katapaya so shekina asuvele prahuje meso sha parade eko pahas ujale krahazu velema prata suje kito osele mekarande
Fire! Brother Rolani Minjani. So, say we are in a spiritual warfare battle. Shibamu shangwina shisa njani.
Moya.
Shamoya, brother Rolani.
Riala kata karalo suke tekeralanda ralabasaya indararaba kata karalosia nderereba sakata karala ndoroka.
Sister Patricia, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Let's say you're in a spiritual warfare, and how does your gun sound like?
It's Ikashanta iko ino washala kanta kataka keke ina isha takibesa. Hey. Sister Whitney, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and how are you?
I'm good. So, say we are in a spiritual warfare. How would your gun sound like?
Para arie aruja la manto praia roja la mantis cari pararia sove ilana manto rudaya sujali naya manto akopraria lo zelimante. Amen.